Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I'm Khubayb Wahidi, Country Director Muslim Aid, and you are here. Welcome in Muslim Aid Aman Camp, Shiva Adda Sawabi. My brothers and sisters in Australia, I welcome all of you here in Pakistan in this IDPs camp, internally displaced people who came here from the colder areas, mountainous areas of Swat, Buner and Dir, Malakand. So the people, they came here like 2 months back. They started migrating from the military operation areas, and they were being hosted here by Muslim Aid team and so many other humanitarian relief organizations. The issue of these IDPs began when the military started operations in Swat, Malakand and Dir areas, and also in the Buner area. And the people, the residents, the civilians, they were saying that the most important, the most problematic thing was for them that the government has not given them the proper time for to escape from the shelling areas to the safer places. And unfortunately, a lot of civilians they died there, and also a big number of people they escaped from their hometowns, from their homes, and even they were not in a position to even secure their valuables, and they left with just empty pockets and with few eatable items. So when they escaped from those areas and they were in search of shelter, that was the biggest issue. And they were in search of proper living area, and a lot of people, they came on foot for a long distances, and it was the major issue for them. And Muslim Aid took this initiative to give them proper shelter and to reside them with their families. And we are in this Aman camp. Aman means peace. So Muslim Aid named this camp as an Aman camp, as peace camp. And here residing more than 2,000 people from these affected areas. After having a snapshot of this camp, let me give you my brief message. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My dear brothers and sisters in Australia, first of all, I would like to thank my brothers and sisters in Australia, Muslim Aid Australia, and all around the globe who have been extending their support continuously as Pakistan is facing a lot of natural and man-made disasters year after year. From last 2-3 years, if we just recap, Muslim Aid Australia has given us a very wonderful support by providing shelters to the earthquake affected people, and also Muslim Aid has provided support to the flood affected people. And nowadays Muslim Aid is trying to extend their services to a large number of people, like more than 4 million people have been displaced after the military action in Swat, Buner and Malakand agencies and beautiful valleys of Swat. My dear friends, this operation, God knows better how long it will take, but we are here to support the suffering humanity. We are here to share our support, to extend our support whatever we can. And these people are in dire need of food. These people are in dire need of health services. These people, the kids who came from the trauma, who came from the terror of war, we have to give them a sign of hope, of life, and a sign of hope by providing them the playing area facility, by providing them entertainment activities, and also by providing them food and whatever they want, whatever they need. So my dear friends, I was planning to come to you, but here I came to this campsite to just share the actual life going on here, and to bring you and to give you a short tour around what is going on here in the camp life. And this camp life is not a very attractive one actually. We are actually trying to give them good services, but on the other hand, there is a hot temperature, and even now it is like 47 plus, and people are facing this scorching heat who came from the mountainous cold areas of Pakistan. So my dear friends, we are being bestowed upon, we are being blessed by the Allah Almighty that we have been chosen for our services. We have been chosen to extend our support to those who are in need. So it's a good opportunity, and I invite you all and I encourage you all to be with us, to join hands with Muslim Aid and to join hands by extending your support whatever you can. And it is indeed, you know, people who are living in the camps, they are like not more than 20%, and almost more than 80% people, and in total more than 4 million people, they are living a miserable life, and they are unfortunately facing a lot of problems in terms of shelter, in terms of protection, in terms of food, in terms of medical support. And those people who are being hosted by the host families, they are actually also in a very big trouble, because one host family, they are hosting almost like 10 families or 8 families. Let me share with you one example. Our driver here, Iqbal, his name is Iqbal. He and his family, there is a joint family system in Pakistan, and in this scenario, current situation going on, he lives nearby in Mardan in Union Council, Gujarat, Bakhshali. And he and his family are residing almost 140 individuals, like 10-14 family members. They are living there in their home surrounding area for almost 1.5 months and on. So these kind of families, examples, many examples of like Iqbal are here. And let me share with you, this is the actual inspiration, and this is the actual, you can say, the true reflection of Muslim humanity. Like the people who have shared their resources for the migrants at the time when Prophet, peace be upon him, came to Medina, and the Ansar from Medina, they have extended their support, their facilities, whatever they had, they have shared with their brothers and sisters, Muslim brothers and sisters who migrated from Mecca. So my dear brothers, it is a need of the time that we should extend our support, we should extend our services, we should share our hands whatever we can. And let me share here with you one verse from Holy Quran, that وَمَنْ أَحْيَاهَا فَكَأَنَّمَا أَحْيَا النَّاسَ جَمِيعًا, that the one who has saved one person, it is as if he has saved the whole mankind. It is as who have saved the whole humanity. So I welcome you, I invite you all to join hands with Muslim Aid Appeal and join us to give your support with the brothers and sisters who are in need in Pakistan, and get the reward here and hereinafter from Allah Almighty. Jazakallahu khairan. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.